Hayden, quit.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Tell her about your drums. Tell her.
Tell Grandma Chris about your drums.
I played them.
What else you do, Abu Dhabi?
I use my drumsticks.
Lacey?
I play pink. Grandma Chris, look at my kitty.
Tell her what you named it.
I named it Butterscotch.
Come over here and get this trophy.
Tell her it's your favorite candy.
It's my favorite candy.
Butterscotch.
Ow!
All right, watch out, Bobby. Show Grandma Chris your trophy.
This is my trophy I won, Grandma Chris.
And what'd you do today? Scored.
1 goal.
Say, okay, say love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Give her a big smile and a
Give her
kiss.
a smile. Say, I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy. Goodbye.